Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a real margarita. Forget those pre-made mixes. A truly authentic margarita is simple and incredibly delicious. You only need 3 key ingredients: a good quality tequila, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur. We'll walk through each step to ensure your drink is perfectly balanced and refreshing, just like it should be. Get ready to impress your friends with this timeless cocktail. The secret to a perfect margarita lies in its proportions. The golden rule is a 2-1-1 ratio: 2 parts tequila, 1 part fresh lime juice, and 1 part orange liqueur. For example, use 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of Cointreau. This balance ensures the drink is neither too sweet nor too tart, highlighting the quality of your ingredients. It's a simple formula for consistent deliciousness. Once you have your ingredients measured, it's time to mix. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice, then pour in your tequila, fresh lime juice, and orange liqueur. Secure the lid and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until well chilled. This aeration is key. Strain the vibrant liquid into a chilled, salt-trimmed glass filled with fresh ice. A lime wedge garnish adds a nice touch. Enjoy your perfectly crafted margarita. The final touches truly elevate your margarita experience. A salt rim is traditional and complements the drink beautifully. Use coarse sea salt, gently moistening the rim of your glass with a lime wedge before dipping it. This adds a delightful savory contrast to the sweet and sour notes. A fresh lime wheel or wedge as a garnish not only looks appealing, but also adds an aromatic citrus burst. Cheers to your perfect margarita.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.